Hello guys, it's Dwayne here again. I hope you're all well. And in today's vlog, we are here in Santa Agnés and we're here for the first couple of days of the almond blossom. The almond blossom obviously happens all over the island, but here in Santa Agnés is where the most amount of trees are. We have the guys, part of Visualize, rolling around with the drones. I don't know if you can hear them in the background. So I'm really looking forward to seeing the shots here because, as you can see, we have one of the best drone pilots on the island. And yeah, it's going to be an incredible vlog. As beautiful as these trees are, they do perform a really important environmental role on the island. The trees prevent soil erosion, water runoff, and of course they provide food and shelter for the wildlife. It is a Sunday, so there is a lot of people around, a lot of traffic on the roads, a lot of people are parking up and getting their pictures. So yeah, I can't wait to share this video. It just shows a different side to Ibiza, the natural beauty of the island. And I hope you enjoy this one as much as we have been having fun shooting it out here in the fields. However, between 2010 and 2015, around 30% of the Ibiza almond groves were lost. This was due to the life cycle of these trees being around 70 years. Since then, there has been funding in place, and there is a project running between 2018 and all the way up to 2022. So that's a wrap. How insane were some of those shots. We had a lot of fun today. Yeah, I just wanted to really showcase what we do here on the island, and we had a bit of spare time. The almond blossoms had come out. It's a Sunday, so we texted each other and just said, let's meet in Santa Agnés and create something beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that. It's always fun whenever the Visualize boys get together. Unfortunately, we aren't in a situation where we can do too much under the circumstances, but that was incredible. So if you've enjoyed this vlog, hit subscribe, and yeah, I'll be back with plenty more random videos from Ibiza.